Today we have a GSM intrusion system, we have a shutter, we have a system here, and we have a hooter here. So it's a demo version, and it's a shutter version. It's a shutter that we have made. Now I will lock the shutter and see there is a beep going. So now we can see it's written system lock. At the same time, we'll get a missed call in this number, and the next one would be a message, an SMS, that it says that the gate is locked. See, it says the gate is locked. So now we have a message and we have a missed call. After that, in the morning when you come, you need to open the shutter. If the owner comes and open it, he knows the password and everything. So he'll open it and he will follow the procedure. Like, now we got a system unlock, we have a missed call here, and after that we'll receive a message that the gate is open. So now it comes enter password. The owner of the shop or the house will know the password, but not the thief. So we know the password. So what we'll do is the password would be 1 2 3 4 5, and then enter, and says password match, password enter. If the other person not knowing the password, he'll enter the wrong password, and after 1 minute the hooter will ring, and continuously messages and continuously ringtones would be coming. So continuous call would be coming. So we have advanced technology GSM intrusion. Thank you. Now in the second case, the system is unlocked. We have to enter the password, but we got a missed call now, and now it shows enter password. So now I'll show you how if a second person doesn't know the password, what will happen. After 1 minute, the hooter will go on. We have to wait for 1 minute. Now you can see the alarm is on the screen and the hooter is going on. Now after that,